Mazda CX-60. The all-new Mazda CX-60 introduces the company's first plug-in full hybrid technology to the European SUV market with a powertrain which combines a Skyactiv G2.5 four-cylinder direct injection petrol with a large 100 kilowatt electric motor and a 355 volts 17.8 kilowatt-hour high-capacity battery. In this video, we will talk about the acceleration, power, speed, performance, price, and comparison. Stick with me till the end to know that this car hands down as the most modern full hybrid model. Let's get started with the electric range of Mazda CX-60. This combination of engine and motor delivers a total system output of 327 PS, 241 kilowatt, and abundant torque of 500 Newton meters, making it the most powerful road car Mazda has ever produced. This electric car is really mind-blowing. Speed and power of Mazda CX-60 will surprise you. The Mazda CX-60 PHEV delivers highly impressive performance, accelerating from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 5.8 seconds, and onto a limited maximum speed of 200 km an hour. You know Mazda got the new multi-clutch system. Try to catch the gearbox, the changing of gears is absolutely instant. There is no time in between those shifts. That's fantastic. Oh, if you're really enjoying this video at this point, make sure to help us massively. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's sleek back to the EV mod and look at the specifications of what do you get for your money. Well, the most basic CX-60S package with the 2.5-liter petrol engine and rear-wheel drive starts at $31,802, with the all-wheel drive version priced from $34,198. That's actually reasonable you think about the size, specification, and the powertrain. What do you think? Is this price worth the car or not? You will be surprised to know that in comparison to CX-5, the CX-60 exceeds the price and have more tech-focused. CX-60 starting price is between $50,000 and $55,000 before on-road costs, with a petrol four-cylinder engine considering the top specification. Mazda CX-5 tops out at $53,880 before on-road costs. CX-5 has 173 horsepower, while CX-60 has 323 horsepower. Being a Mazda, there is plenty of powertrain innovation. The Mazda CX-60 powertrain lineup features 3 new engines: Mazda's first PHEV, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder e-Skyactiv G petrol unit with electrification technology, and 2 straight 6 engines and a 3.3-liter e-Skyactiv D diesel unit and a 3.0-liter e-Skyactiv X petrol engine. We think that you will have the best driving experience on Mazda CX-60. You will not get enough of the Mazda CX-60 performance. What a masterpiece! Total system output for the PHEV is 323 horsepower, with a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack able to deliver up to 39 miles of EV range under Europe's generally optimistic testing protocol. With any premium car, you can always improve the breed, and there are some packs that Mazda have included this time around, and we are starting with advanced Smart City brake support. This support uses a forward-sensing camera to detect vehicles and pedestrians ahead, both by day and at night, and help avoid collisions or mitigate damage in the event one does occur. The system automatically stops or reduces the speed of the car when there is a risk of collision with the vehicle or pedestrian in front. Let's get into the design of Mazda CX-60. The interior design follows the exterior in expressing the strength of the Mazda CX-60's front engine, rear-wheel drive SUV architecture. All choice of 8 body colors is available: jet black, deep crystal blue, sonic silver, platinum quartz, arctic white, rhodium white, machine gray, and soul red crystal. The new Mazda CX-60 may be fitted with either 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels. The presence of a longitudinally mounted engine, a new 8-speed automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. We think Mazda is a full package of comfort with a comfy and attractive design. Mazda CX-60 will give you the best driving experience because of its innovative driver personalization system. The Mazda CX-60's new driver personalization system comprises 3 functions: an automatic driving position guide, automatic setting restoration, and ingress-egress assistance. You don't have to now be worried about your luggage as CX-60 has ample width of cabin to load it. The Mazda CX-60 cabin has ample width, offering 1,504mm of shoulder room in the front seats, 44mm more than the CX-5, and 1,441mm in the rear seats. However, we have nothing but praise for the quality and style of the CX-60's cabin, which Mazda says contemporary Japanese design has inspired. And let me tell you that you guys will love the new audio system of the Mazda CX-60. The Mazda CX-60 features an enhanced version of the Mazda Harmonic Acoustics system originally developed for Mazda 3. Mazda CX-60 has introduced the advanced iActive-Sense driver assistance systems that will surely stun your senses. The Mazda CX-60's comprehensive range of advanced iActive-Sense driver assistance systems ensure active safety at the highest level and targets a Euro NCAP 5-star safety rating. Do comment your own review about it in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.